plumbing, DWV, drain waste vent. Notice this is a stand pipe. It's 24 inches. It needs to be 18 to 30. And this P-trap has to be 6 to 18 inches off the ground. The length of this pipe has to be between 6 inches and 5 feet. And notice there's a cleanout here too. Going down, let's take a good close look at that. And then the laundry controls. Now, this waste pipe goes down to the basement until the exterior waste. And it goes all the way up through the roof. That was tough to do. That's that waste pipe right there. All the way up there. We'll tie into that. In addition, from another laundry unit, we see this pipe right here. We had to find a path down to the basement where the exterior sewer is.